Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin from eToro. If you're new to cryptocurrency investing and want to start with Bitcoin, eToro is a user-friendly platform that makes buying and trading easy. Let's walk through the steps to get you started. First, you need to create an account on eToro. Visit their website and sign up using your email address or link your social media account. After signing up, you will need to verify your identity by providing the required personal information and documents. This is a necessary step to comply with regulations and ensure a secure trading environment. Once your account is verified and you are logged in, you will need to deposit funds. Click on the deposit button and choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or even PayPal. After choosing the amount you want to deposit, follow the instructions to complete the transaction. Remember to check for any fees associated with your selected payment method. Now that you have funds in your account, it's time to buy Bitcoin. Use the search bar to find Bitcoin or its symbol BTC. Click on the Trade button, enter the amount you wish to invest, and review the order details. Once you are satisfied, confirm your purchase, and your Bitcoin will be added to your eToro portfolio. You can monitor its performance directly on the platform. That's it. You are now a Bitcoin investor.